It's time for the mother of all rivalries, Bengaluru versus Chennai. I don't mean the IPL Southern Derby. I don't mean Thala Dhoni versus King Kohli. This is a different battle, a high-stakes race to become the GCC capital of India. We recently made a video on how Chennai is leading the GCC race in India, and the comments were lit. Some started fighting, proper e-lafda started. So we thought we'll make a comparison, and hence this video. The competition between these two southern powerhouses is tighter and more telling than you think. So let's start with the basics first. GCCs, which are global capability centers, are the innovation engines behind global enterprises. From AI to cybersecurity, R&D to enterprise tech, these are proper nerve centers of Fortune 500 companies, quietly powering the world from Indian soil. Today, there are over 1,700 GCCs operating across India. And quite literally, two cities are leading that charge. The two cities that are about to meet tonight at 7:30, Bengaluru and Chennai. Bengaluru leads the way right now. Between 2014 and 2023, it added 8 lakh prime jobs, the most of any city. Chennai during this time, around 4,30,000. Bengaluru also added nearly 80 million square feet of grade A office space, becoming the default headquarters for global tech GCCs. I mean, just take a look at who's doubling down. Carlsys AG, Lam Research, Ford Business Solutions, Fidelity, Cognite, Abbey, Cargill, and Data Electronics, all expanding in Bengaluru just in the last few months. In contrast though, Chennai has long been the home to manufacturing, supply chain, enterprise tech. GCCs like, say, Ford, Caterpillar, Renault, Nissan, Zoho, Saint-Gobain as well. Where? In Chennai. But the growth pace and diversity of deep tech roles in Chennai still trails behind Bengaluru. Chennai's median salary for GCC talent stands at 11.5 lakh per annum. That's nearly 1 lakh less than Bengaluru's 12.5 lakh per annum median. Why this gap, you ask? It's because Bengaluru commands a premium for AI, full stack, and product roles as well. Chennai is an absolute leader when it comes to automotive research and development, manufacturing engineering, logistics as well. But when it comes to Gen AI, cloud, platform engineering, deep tech innovation, Bangalore right now owns the crown. And that explains why Ford couldn't resist itself from expanding to Bengaluru. It hosts the largest pool of AI and ML engineers, startup incubators, product-first GCCs in the country. In just the last 5 years, let me tell you some of the aspects where Bengaluru has far outpaced Chennai. When it comes to air routes, 27 new domestic destinations. Luxury consumption, you ask? Includes premium housing and auto sales. Chennai, meanwhile, still faces some infrastructural inertia, especially in terms of, say, premium office parks, expat appeal, and last-mile connectivity, which is key for new-age GCCs. Bengaluru right now leads in passport ownership as well, mutual fund penetration, and white-collar migration too. It also has the highest GCC demand-to-talent ratio, meaning more high-paying jobs than any other city. People working in Chennai don't want to leave the city. They're very happy working there, growing there. Chennai's lower attrition rates and stable cost structures make it attractive for back-end ops and core tech. But when it comes to high growth, experimental work, AI-driven work, talent is still moving to Bengaluru. So at the end of all of this, who is winning? At this point of time at least, Bengaluru is clearly ahead in tech stack complexity, job creation, deep tech GCC setups. Chennai, though, retains proper strength when it comes to engineering, automotive R&D, and enterprise reliability. So, when it comes to GCCs, are you Team Bengaluru or Team Chennai? Let us know in the comments below. And of course, a very important question. Tonight at Chepauk, who do you think is going to come out on top? Is it going to be King Kohli's team or Thala Dhoni's team? Is it going to be RCB or CSK? Tell us in the comments below. I think it'll be RCB. Difficult to beat Chennai in Chepauk, but my heart says it's going to be RCB tonight. What do you think? Tell us in the comments, and of course don't forget to share this video with a fellow cricket fan and tech enthusiast too. For more such real-time live updates from the world of tech and AI, do subscribe to AIM TV because think AI, think AIM.